Okay, good morning to all of you. So last few lecture we observe related with a general concept related with the digital marketing. We take the overview of total syllabus which is allocated by the university for your uh, subject. Then we go with the first unit. In first unit, what we observe what is the basic concept related with the digital marketing. What is the concept of digital marketing? Which platform will be used in digital marketing? What is difference between the related with the traditional marketing and the digital marketing? Which soft skill will be required for the digital marketing? Which key drivers of digital marketing? That for parameter we observe then. Also, we take some of the example related with how a customer go with a purchasing the any product or application related depend upon the marketing. So which parameter we have to consider for the purchasing the customer goes to the purchasing. So it comes from the triggering the concept of your new idea into a customer point of view. Then they it will be a make the decision to the purchase. Then find out the number of options. So which type of parameter we have to consider for the marketing, so it can be a go with a purchase, and after that purchase the user feedback that will be help to make a branding of your product, and indirectly the branding will be increase the value of product, and that will be increase the selling of product. So also we observe that which parameter we have to consider for a digital marketing, so the maximum customer will be a attracts towards the product, or they know about the product and they will be a purchase your product, or it may be a reach to the maximum. So number of types we observe, or number of platform we observe in a first unit, that is a basic concept related, but in a second unit is related with the digital marketing terminology. So whatever the platform we observe in a first unit, basic concept, what is the idea of that one, what they will be a use, what is the benefit of that one, and how they help to the digital marketing. That concept we observe, but in detail, we go with a second unit. So digital marketing is very important parameter, and some of the technical parameter will be consider in that one. So it will be describe the strategy and activity for the promoting a product or the services online. So digital marketing terminology is mostly used to be a uh, describe the strategy and activity for the promoting your product, and the which type of services we provided to the customer through online. So the key terms include in a digital marketing terminology is SEO, SEO, then that is search engine optimization, SEM, SMM, that is social media marketing, content marketing, email marketing, then CTRC, that is click through the rate, then CPC, cost per click, and the conversion rate. So this key point will be a consider for the your digital marketing terminology. So that concept we learn in this unit in a detail. Each and every parameter we go with a detailed study. So when we consider one of the parameter related first, that is a pay per click. That is a very important parameter. Will be a consider that. So we know that there are n number of type of customer will be available, or people will be available, uh, depend upon their whatever the thinking and approach, they go with some of that. But how we attract the maximum customer to our the products, or how we introduce our product towards the customer, so that is one of the way is a pay per click. That is the one of the way or terminology will be used to make a maximum customer attract and know about your product, so they can understand that product and they go with our product. So PPC is a marketing model where advertising pay only when their link is a click and the user visit their website, the application, or any other specific website. So we have to, or the in this type of, we have to pay to peoples when they click on whatever we given the link of our product, or they open your application, visit your application, visit our website, uh, and do the sum of the specific application or utility. So on that parameter, because of we paying, the maximum customer will be open this link, observe the content, so they know about the product, and they think about the product, or they will be a share to the number of peoples to go with that. So those person are interested in that one, they can easily be go know about the product, and they think to be a purchase our products. So online advertising payment model is which payment is based solely on the qualifying the click through, right? So whenever the customer will be a click and open and observe and like, unlike, or maybe a take a screenshot, that and that time only pay. So it is one of the marketing model where they concentrate on the maximum people. So one of the best example, when we visit the number of malls, that time some of the peoples will be a communicate with us, said they provide one coupon, right? Please write your name and contact details. We have a lucky draw, so you can uh, get the lucky that one. There is no need to be we have to invest, or you get the at least one price for the release one. So that price, thinking that the maximum customer will be give their numbers, contact numbers, and visit their places. After that visit their places, they explain about their product, all things, and provide some of the gift to use. So that is one of the way to that maximum customer will be a attracts and know about the your planning. So in pay per click, there should be a some way to attract and engage the customer. So first we have to plan which type of customer we need to be a concentrate. So which parameter we have to contact. So is like that, for just only clicking we does not pay. When we click and just observe and sending a screenshot to us, that time we can believe on that one and we can play. So planning is needed to be a that which type of customer will be needed, which activity they have to do. After that we have to pay, then which parameter they have to complete so that we can play, that will be a comes to that. So for that we require a research parameter, right? So in research we consult with related with that one. Just I we given one example related that in mall we visit, whenever we go to purchase something and visited to the mall. So they observe it like that. Um, mm, so which type of customer, what will be a their thinking parameter, what they want. So which type of price will be decide. Um, then what will be their salary. So what will be a concept of then one, where they stay, uh, what parameter they mostly purchase. That all thing will be a concern with the research. So that type of customer will be a, we have to find out, depend upon the searching and analysis. It may searching also concern related with the places. Searching as also related with the uh, which type of current need of market, what is our competitor will be do for that purchase. All detail information will be comes after the result. So sometimes we say that is like a survey or of your product, what will be their value in the market, and what are the competitor of market, which type of most of the customer they are purchasing and having the same product. So how they switch over up to the product, and how the customer will be a maximum comes to your product. That all thing will be comes in a your research work about that one. After that we know the how to implement this one, on the which way we have to implement of this one. So that will be a comes to the implementation. Then we have to actually execute this one. After execution, Whatever the we get the feedback result of that one, we have to track this one. It may be a consult with the customer feedback. It may be a approach of number of customers towards that one, which type of customer mostly reaching that one, so how we make the reach to the maximum, that will be, so it is like a one cycle. It is continuously need to be a modify, so maximum customer will be a comes. So this is one of the marketing strategy where the maximum customer will be a attracts to our product, and the marketing will be done in a good way. So it is a continuous flexible parameter we have to consider for this type of marketing. So benefit of user in PPC. What type of benefit will be done in that? So tracking and marketing is one of the important parameter will be considered. So pay per click ads can be easily measure and track the performance status uh, are available where the advertiser can be a impression, number of click, then conversion. We can easily measure about that one. The variable budget allocation, because what type of customer will be a no, and what will be a response we getting from that one, we does not predict before that. So the budget should be a variable. So advertising can be changed the outcome of advertising at any point of time, depend upon the customer need response. Uh, then selling of our product, that also parameter will be a concern. It can be a change at any stage of the depend upon the need. As the advertiser has to pay when the click is a click, rather than the placement of ad, the advertiser amount can be fixed, and it want to be a cross the limits. It's possible. So suppose we can thinking that only 100 people will be a click, but it may be a possible the 200 people 300 people will be a click. So that time, because we allocated this one, so customer how to believe that when we pay for that one. If we only pay for 100 students, so what about the remaining 200 student or customer? They does not believe on that one, and they make a communication towards the other. It is a fraud that one. So that strategy get in a problem state. So we have to pay for that also one. So that concept will need to be a your variable should be a whatever the budget should be a variable allocation. Platform offering for PPC, that is pay per click marketing. It may be a Google's ad, it may be a Bing's ad, Microsoft ads is another ad platform, mainly among the PC, laptops, users, ad appearing on the Microsoft search engine and Yahoo Mail is like that one. Then Facebook ads that also be a comes in that one. So either it is a paid and related that one. So how does a PPC marketing will be a work? That is very important parameter, that concept that to uh, whenever we select the specific platform, you want to be a campaigning of any product or any whatever your application. For example, we say that Google ads or the Bing ads, and sign up for their advertising platform. Then select the keywords. Which keywords will be highlight your marketing parameters of your product. Decide your target uh, demographics such as the area, age, genders, etc. Right? So suppose we launching one of the project which is for the kid, so we have to mostly concentrate out the that much that one. Or some of the product is related with the student, so we have to concentrate on the age limit, type of peoples, where the location is like the geography. The maximum colleges, schools will be where will be a present. That will be areas good for getting the maximum marketing of your towards the right customer. So that will be a comes in that one. Uh, um, Mostly get the marketing. Select the images, videos that you want to be show in your ads, right? So it can be highlight the your product. Then the action will be decide the advertising and the place where the ads will be shown. Then pay as per the click your ads and has received, right? So that parameter will be a consider. So this is a pay per click. It is one of the marketing skill that will be a comes to attract the maximum customer. depend upon the geographical area, need of customer, type of customer, age of customer, and different parameters. So the budget should be a variable because it's not a fixed number of customer. For that will be a communicate with us which type of facilities we have to provide that one. All things related with that one. All thing will be a consider that parameter. So we have to consider all thing, and it is continuously dependent marketing scheme. Dependent means that each parameter every time we have to plan for this one, we every time we go with a search, right, to know about that current status of that and current trends of that one. Then every time we need to be implement again, modify that one and implement again, then you execute this one, then tracking of this one, all this will be a done continuous parameter. So we have to consider this at every time for that parameters, right? So it is a very famous marketing skill of the getting the maximum customers attract to us that one. So that is one of the important skill we have to consider that one. So that one. So we take the number of example. Is like the just I am telling some travels agencies. One example is related with that one. Most of the travels agency they provide the number of packages. So they provide some of the coupons related. To when we visit the number of places, and they call to us, you get the one of the price, and they provide some of the coupons related with the discount coupons, and provide some gifts. So that way also be a possible to a maximum attract the students, right? Same like that, some of the discounts so will be a comes in that one. If you purchase this one and doing this one, you get that much discount, right? Membership parameters. If you have a membership of this one, you get the that one. So this is a, all the way to maximum way to reach the maximum customers to us your product. They know your product. If they know your product, if they want to be a purchase that one, they can easily convert that one. So triggering it will be easily done with help of the pay per click. So this is the best way to be a make more marketing concept. Whenever we go with a second parameter, that is the related with the social media marketing. So it is a vast area, and most of the famous marketing parameter in current trend, right? So social media refers to be a content-based website application designed to allow user to interact with each other and share and create the content quickly, efficiently, and the real time, right? So we know that most all the peoples will be currently they go with a social media. It may be a Facebook, it may be a WhatsApp, it may be Instagram. They have their accounts and number of people they are interconnected with that. So in a single click, we can post our ads of your product, and it reach to the respective, because it's like a Facebook. We taking example, it is the best platform related with marketing, because Facebook having their capability, they distinguish the number of people depend upon their search, their interest, their observation, and all things, and they segregated that one and make a group of that one, and easily that will be reached to the maximum in a single click. We connect the number of peoples. So that is a real time marketing also be a possible with a social media. So social media is a trend way to be a electronics communication through which we can be create our online communication site. So share the information, images, idea, audio, video, and other content with uh, sorry, friends, business partners, then relatives as well as a customer. So the main goals of using the social media marketing is to be increase the website traffic, increase the likes, then comments and shares. So it not only make advertisement, we can get the real feedback from the your friends, your whatever the traffic which is connected with you, your likes. They provide the comments. If they provide the comments like your product is good but needed to be add this parameter, we like this one. You can share same like that one. So what way that we getting the actual needed customer needed parameter, and that can be a modify, and this modification will be done to make a good product and branding of product with a single platform, with a single platform. So this is one of the best parameter related with that one. So we can take example is like that. It may be a Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter. There are number of YouTube option for social media that can be easily available, and most of the time they are the free, and we can easily promote our product, right? So considering this one parameter, there will be a one parameter which will be a consider, that is SMM, that is social media marketing. So first, building a brand awareness. Why they use for the to bring to build your brand and to aware our your product to the customer. Then connecting with the customer. Easily we can connect with a number of people, because in considering with the Facebook, we have number of friends. They are interconnected with us. Then driving the customers. Always we interacting with customer. Then increasing the state. Then analyze the result. Everyone will be give the feedback, right? What comments on that one, that will be help to get to analyze the uh, product result to one. So that is a good way for that one. So that concept is a very important parameter with the social media marketing, and that will be a use. So today we learn about two parameters. First is related with a pay per click. That is one of the marketing skill or marketing model which help to attract the maximum customer to us to you. We can pay for that one, depend upon uh, uh, just clicking on the link, visiting on the website, then observing the application or specific website. So maximum customer will be know around that one, and it contain the number of parameter. And second way we observe that is related with a social media marketing. So that is one of the biggest parameter we have to consider for that one. So it really easily help to know the actual customer, right? We can interconnect with customer. We provide each and everything with a single click. We can get the feedback from the customer, right? We can make a changes in the same way and to attract the maximum traffic to us, is increase the likes, comments, and share. So that will be increase the your product value, and that value is nothing but a brand. And if we getting the branding, depend on that one, so selling is automatically will be done depend upon the branding and value. So these are the two important parameter related with a digital marketing. First is a pay per click, and second is a social media. So this lecture we learn about these two measurable parameter, right? In next lecture we go with the other platform.